I bought this grinder to grind small black cumin seeds. When I tried to use a regular pepper mill, the seeds just seemed to fall right through without being ground. So I like this one because it has these adjustable settings. So when I set it on the lowest setting, it does grind. It makes this squeaking noise, which is a little annoying, but it does grind it. So you can kind of see. It does grind it. It takes a little while, and I'm usually trying to get 1/4 of a teaspoon. So I move it up to the second setting. Let's try this again. And it does seem to grind most of the seeds, and it comes out a little better, so that's acceptable for me. But if you're trying to grind, especially if you're trying to grind small seeds, I do recommend this. It's got a nice sleek look to it. You can see how much product you still have left. It's easy to fill from the bottom. I'm really happy with this product. It is plastic, not glass. That would be something that would be nice if it were glass, but it still looks good, and most importantly, it does the job I need it to do.
Nice soft rubber base, stainless steel top. Markings don't quite line up, but they're see-through, so that's really nice. And they're a good size in your hand. I have large hands for reference.
I had been searching for the perfect pepper grinder until I found this one. It is fantastic. It has these multiple different sizes, so you can customize how wide of a grind that you want. So easy to replace, but it comes filled. How nice is that? It comes filled. OXO is such a great, trustworthy brand, so sleek. I can leave this on my counter and it is not an eyesore at all. This is the best pepper grinder I've had. I've tried so many, and I'm so glad I found this one.